India is making a major push to re-engage with free trade agreements, marking a significant shift in its approach to global trade. After a period of skepticism and hesitation, the country is now actively pursuing deals with key global partners. These include the European Union, the United Kingdom, the United States, and several other countries. This renewed focus on trade agreements is driven by economic, strategic, and geopolitical considerations. For much of the last decade, India has been cautious about trade liberalization. Concerns over widening trade deficits and the impact of cheaper imports on domestic industries led the country to withdraw from the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership in 2019. However, global disruptions, including the COVID-19 pandemic and shifting supply chains, have prompted a re-evaluation of India's trade strategy. Now India is looking to secure trade deals that align with its broader economic vision. The vision promoting exports, attracting foreign investment and ensuring supply chain resilience. India is currently engaged in several high-profile trade negotiations. With the European Union, talks with the 28-nation economic bloc have resumed after years of stagnation. A comprehensive deal could open up one of the world's largest trading unions for Indian goods and services. Then there's the India-UK FTA. Here, India hopes to boost trade in textiles, automobiles, alcohol and professional services. India and the US are in talks over a bilateral trade agreement focusing on reducing trade barriers and securing access to key industries, including pharmaceuticals, technology and defense.
$500 billion.
India has recently launched trade negotiations with New Zealand with a focus on strengthening ties in agriculture, dairy and services. And finally, talks are ongoing for a trade agreement with the Gulf Cooperation Council. India has already signed a comprehensive economic partnership agreement with the UAE. These nations could provide India a strategic advantage by deepening energy ties and expanding markets for Indian goods in the Middle East. Several factors are driving India's renewed enthusiasm for trade deals. The first is economic growth and export targets. India is aiming to significantly boost its exports and reach new markets. Recent trade deals with the UAE and Australia have demonstrated how FTAs can open up new opportunities for Indian businesses. Next is supply chain diversification. The disruptions caused by COVID-19 and geopolitical tensions, particularly concerning China, have made it crucial for India to diversify its supply chains. FTAs with key partners will help India secure essential goods and raw materials. There's also the question of strategic alliances. Trade deals are not just about economics, they also strengthen diplomatic ties. India's engagement with like-minded democracies, including the US, UK and EU, is part of a broader strategy to deepen alliances, attracting investment and technology. By negotiating favourable trade terms, India hopes to attract foreign investment and gain access to critical technologies, particularly in defence, clean energy and digital trade. While India is making rapid progress, challenges remain. Some industries fear that increased competition from cheaper imports could hurt local businesses. Balancing trade liberalization with the need to protect key industries will be crucial. India's approach to FTAs has come full circle. From initial enthusiasm to a decade of hesitation and now a renewed push, the country is positioning itself as a key player in global trade. By carefully negotiating deals that are fair and mutually beneficial, India aims to secure a stronger economic future while reinforcing its strategic alliances. The coming years will be crucial in determining how India integrates into the evolving global trade landscape.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.